G'day. We all know that biosecurity plays an important role in protecting our borders. That's why your company has entered into an approved arrangement with the Australian government. This means that your company and the people employed share the role of managing biosecurity risks in the imported cargo space. This arrangement comes with a range of important responsibilities. The first is to contain and report incidents that may pose a biosecurity risk. These are known as reportable biosecurity incidents. Keep an eye out for animals, insects and things like dirt and plant matter on or in containers and other cargo like cars and machinery. It's also important to keep a lookout at your workplace. Pests and contaminants can move quickly from cargo and containers. Invasive plants and plant matter like grain, straw, seeds, leaves and soil could be devastating if they entered Australia. If found, they need to be dealt with in line with the rules of your company's approved arrangement. If you find a live pest, act quickly to prevent the pest from escaping. Simply closing the container doors during an unpack can be effective. If you have unpacked the container, check the goods for pests and isolate affected goods to avoid cross-contamination. Do your best to contain the risk by covering the goods with an item like a tarp to prevent pests from escaping. If the container's in a warehouse, keep it inside. Use a knockdown spray on crawling insects found on flat racks and unit load devices and isolate goods. Don't use spray on swarming insects. If you can, take a photo of the pest to help biosecurity officers identify the species. Report the pest to a biosecurity officer by calling the Sea Secure Report hotline. The everyday things we do around the site that can make a big difference. Look out for rubbish like tyres and packaging. These can create pools of water and hiding places that attract pests. If there's water on site, treat it to prevent pests and diseases from thriving, and use bait to control rodents and feral animals. Remember, your company has an approved arrangement, which means you have important responsibilities in our biosecurity system. Biosecurity. It's everyone's business.